Historically dependable and relatively affordable, the Toyota Corolla is a prudent however unexciting preference among compact sedans. Celebrating 50 years of worldwide sales, the Corolla enters 2017 with a host of modifications that continue to attraction to consumers' sensibilities, if not their fervor. Notably, all 2017 Corolla sedans, from the lowliest $19,365 model to the among the finest XSE model we drove, with its as examined price of $24,830, come fashionable with a pre-collision machine with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, lane maintaining help, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high-beam headlights. Oddly, no Corolla offers blind spot tracking. Complementing the 2017 Corolla sedan's extra safety systems, its refreshed exterior styling brings redesigned headlights, taillight covers, and an updated the front fascia replete with a nostril reputedly modeled after the schnoz on Squidward, the SpongeBob SquarePants cool animated film person. The SE and XSE are new for 2017, supplanting Ultimate's S, and put on a extra ungainly mug that consists of Toyota Mirai-like info inclusive of massive faux brake cooling ducts and vertical LED sunlight hours strolling lighting.